Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this delicious chicken sandwich. So I have a chicken breast here which is a little over 5 ounces. I've already washed it with some vinegar water and pat dry. So what I'm going to do is to just use my meat pounder or tenderizer and pound this out. Initially I was thinking of slicing it, but then when I looked at the shape of it, I figured it would be easier to do it this way. So you can slice yours up if it's easier for you. And what this does, it helps the meat to become more even. It cooks a little faster and it's a little more tender after you cook it. So I'm going to lightly season this up with a little bit of chicken seasoning, some smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of this jerk marinade right here. By the way, I have a homemade version of jerk seasoning, so if you're interested, you can check out the video. I'll link it for you above as well as in the description. And I'm going fairly simple with the seasonings here. I'm not doing too much. So now I'm going to allow this to marinate for about 15 minutes. I have a little bit of oil in my skillet here and I'm going to drop my chicken breast in. And I'm going to cook it for no more than 2 minutes per side. We don't want to overcook it because we want it to be nice and juicy when we're done. And the chicken breast doesn't take that long to cook. Now we're going to assemble our sandwich. I have some multigrain bread here that I've lightly toasted. Of course, you can use whatever bread you like. First, I'm going to add some of my sauce here that I've just made. And this is just mayonnaise, ketchup, a little bit of honey, and some hot sauce. Then we're going to go in with some fresh lettuce. Some tomatoes, and you can add whatever you like to your sandwich, guys. Feel free to make it your own. Next, our nice juicy chicken breast, and this might appear burnt. It's not. It's as a result of the jerk marinade that we added. And then I'm going to top it with some nice sweet plantains. The sweetness of the plantain complemented the mild, spicy, smoky flavor of the juicy chicken breast, and the homemade sauce brought it all together with the crispy, fresh taste of the vegetables. This chicken sandwich was definitely a winner. Hope you tried it and enjoyed it as much as I did. Please help the video and the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed, and help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. If you try any of my recipes, you're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_, and don't forget to follow me as well. All my other socials are also linked down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.